Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about Uthando Nesthembu. Now we know guys that on Wednesday they released two different episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. Now guys, on episode 2, uMusa finally clarifies into that he's been running around engayicacisi ukuthi like Musa kahle kahle ithini indaba, and it's about the situation of who was made wife first between uMayeni and uMakhumalo. Now guys, I just want to say that this thing, uThobile, in all honesty, uThobile was not even trying when she mentioned ukuthi yena when uMayeni washada that she was already a wife and she went to umshado kaMayeni as uMusa's wife already. When she mentioned that, she was not even, if we're speaking the truth, guys, she was not even saying it in a spiteful way or anything like that. The only reason she said that was when indaba yokuthi yena she was staying kwaMseleku as a girlfriend came out. Now guys, for some people they really might not get it, but I get where it's coming from, and I think I'm starting to get a glimpse. uThobile seems like the type of girl that prides herself ngokwenza indlela or ngokwenza izinto ngendlela ehloniphekile. So for uMusa to say, or for someone to say ukuthi she was a girlfriend or bekahlala nje, or she was doing uMasikhalisane kwaMseleku, it's not nice, because I mean that's her family's reputation, that's the Khumalo's reputation. So I kind of do get why she couldn't let this go. But manje isidhaxa esinye, ayibo uMayeni makayichaza guys, uMayeni says ngaze uThobile ngazi ukuthi bekaqashiwe as isebenzi kwaMseleku eMzumbe. She says kwaMzumbe phela there was no wife, there was no one to take care of the home. Then the problem came in ukuthi ingane meziyovakasha eMzumbe ngama-holiday wey'kolo, there was no one to take care of the kids, and there was no one by the house. So that's where uThobile then waqashwa as ineni. I'm like, hayi kaluyiva. But this is uMayeni's truth, you guys. And you know what? I believe both uMayeni's truth and I believe uThobile's truth. Except I feel like uThobile's truth is the one ekondile. But uMusa does get to clarify this for the first time ever. And I just really hope we can put this to bed after this. So anyway, uMayeni is saying this in the diary session while she's sitting. No, Lokuzana, no Musa. So she says, when wawunesonto uyakhumbula? uMusa avume again. It's like, yes, vele benginesonto. She goes on to say, uThobile wayeshaya isigubhu esontweni. Ayibo, I'm like, hey guys, I didn't even know. uMayeni goes on to say, le angani yayifika esontweni isebenze igoduke. Ithe isuka nje, she stopped leaving. So uMayeni says ukuthi she knew ukuthi uLokhuzana uThobile she was hired as a nanny, and because she was hired as a nanny eMzumbe, she started attending church ney'ngane at uMusa Mselebu's church. But that's all she used to do. She used to clean. She's to get there, she's to clean, and then she's to go back home. And then she just stopped to go back home, and that's when uMayeni started figuring out ukuthi maybe khona something, because why le ngane ingasagoduki. Guys, I don't know how I feel about the fact that even namanje they are still referring to uThobile as ingane. Angazi ukuthi maybe is it a Zulu thing or what, or into yesintu or something, but I don't appreciate it, because I'm like, you can't still be calling someone's wife ingane. She's a wife now, yes, ngaleso sikhathi, even now, maybe ngeminyaka she is ingane compared to uMayeni and uMacele, but I'm like, she's a wife, guys. She's earned her stripes. Like, why can't they give her indawo yakhe, and at least uThobile ke or uMakhumalo badingane? Angiyithandisisi leyo nto. Anyway, uMusa says ukuthi hayi mina leyo ukuthi uLokhuzana uMakhumalo weqashiwe, like I don't know, angiyayiqala. But he goes on to say ukuthi uLokhuzana uMusa clarifies it. He says ulokhu uThobile wahlala kwaMseleku eseloboliwe. He said, I personally introduced uThobile to uMasaule. So when uThobile moved in kwaMseleku eMzumbe, we had already been to uThobile's family and paid ilobola. So leyo ukuthi wakhipha uThobile like leyo angiyazi. So uMusa clarifies that, guys, and I guess uMusa he confirms ukuthi the rightful wife number 2 is uMakhumalo, guys. She was a married wife, but the sad thing, that's how I was saying ukuthi uMusa, I feel like he's no different than labafana laba bomnawethu, because he married uLokhuzana uMayeni and making her think ukuthi she's wife number 2, whereas uThobile was there all along and she was a wife. Nomndeni wakwaMseleku wathula wathi du. Hi guys, I'm just like, hayibo. So I get ukuthi why uMayeni she's only getting clarity now, and uMayeni is like, bengizibuza mina ukuthi yindaba uThobile esithi wakhana kukhala kunami, but now I understand. She goes on to say ukuthi hey, like asiyeke le ndaba bengicela ukuthi siyeke ngoba uMthombeni ukhuluma enye into, because she's saying ukuthi uThobile, she was introduced to me as isisebenzi and ingane yayikade izokline esontweni. uMusa on this side is like, no, uThobile was never isisebenzi. So uMayeni is like, let's leave the situation. Now I understand she did get married first and there's no use of us talking the situation over and over again. Now guys, this doesn't change anything, of course, because as I'm saying, I don't think uMakhumalo, when she brought up this thing, she was only trying to clear her name and clear her family's name. She was not bringing up as something to spite anyone, because listen, she's the one, or it seems like uMakhumalo is the one that agreed to make uMayeni wife number 2, and I think the reason why they did that was because of the age factor, that it was going to be somehow ukuthi uThobile's second wife and uMayeni becomes third wife, but not only because of the age factor. Number 2, remember uMusa does explain ukuthi he had to ncenga his way to get uMayeni back to him. So uThobile, I guess she understood her man's vision, and I think there's some sort of appreciation that I have for uThobile this season, guys, that you know what? I have to give it to her. Lemda Yamzaya, not many of us can do, guys. Yes, many people can say ukuthi Thobile uncenga uzincengele and whatnot, but listen guys, mawungena esithembini, you must know ukuthi uyomela into enje. Do you understand what I'm saying? And you must know ukuthi you're there to support a vision. And I feel like uThobile has understood the assignment, you guys. And for once, maybe let's give her flowers to say, you know what? Even as a woman, to say ukuthi I'm willing for you to make another woman become wife number 2, and I'm willing to settle for wife number 3 because it's just a number. That is fine, because I understand the vision yako ufuna isithembu. That is a big thing, guys, and I think we need to give it to uThobile for that. But listen, uMusa clarified it, guys. uThobile is rightfully wife number 2, but as I'm saying, this doesn't change anything. uThobile doesn't want to become wife number 2. I don't think, even though they've clarified this is going to change anything. uMayeni will still continue to be referred to as wife number 2, because even Mogubiwa, to their ancestors, they still refer to her as wife number 2. So that's that, guys. Let's settle it, guys. Mayeni's fans, please, falani accept him, because uThobile akanbi bandla. But anyway, we are glad that this is finally clarified. Mara uMusa, guys, iminyaka emingaka lying to uMayeni. Cabanga when uyovakashela umuntu wakho uthi unesebenzi kanti is not isebenzi, kanti girlfriend. Able, guys, let's park it right there. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do watch the ads as well. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.